In this video, I'll show you how to see Doordash tips before accepting. So I will show you 3 ways to see tips on Doordash orders. So first of all is do simple math. The Doordash pay structure is like base pay plus promotions plus tips equal to total earning. So if we follow this structure like offer minus base pay minus peak pay equal to tips, by following this formula we can calculate the tips. And the second one is use an older version of Doordash. Older version of Doordash apps shows the tips. So we have to download the older version of Doordash from the Play Store or from the browser and then use it. And by using an older version of Doordash, we can see the tips. And the number 3 is use an app that allows you to see the tip payout. That means besides using the older version of the Doordash, we can also download or use any third-party app to see the tips. So here's how we can see the tips in Doordash before accepting the order. Thank you.